Ever wondered how it would be if your car could see in the dark? Picture this. You're navigating a dimly lit, winding road, illuminated only by your headlights. It's an all too common situation that can prove challenging, even for experienced drivers. Now imagine if there was a technology capable of turning night into day, right from the comfort of your car. Guess what? Such a technology does exist, and it's ready to revolutionize your nighttime driving experience. That's where BMW's Night Vision system comes in. So, what exactly does BMW's Night Vision system do? Well, let's dive right in. Picture this. It's like having your very own pair of night vision goggles built directly into your car. This innovative system uses infrared technology that extends far beyond the reach of your headlights. It's your own personal superhero sidekick, always on high alert and ready to help you navigate your journey. Now imagine you're driving down a dark road. Hidden in the darkness, there could be all sorts of potential hazards that your headlights simply can't reveal. But with BMW's Night Vision system, these hidden hazards can be detected before they even come into view. It's like having a sixth sense, a superpower that gives you those precious extra seconds to react and avoid any unexpected surprises. Whether it's a pedestrian crossing the street or a deer lurking in the shadows, BMW Night Vision has your back. It's not just about seeing in the dark, it's about seeing into the future of driving safety. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of using BMW's Night Vision. Picture this. You're behind the wheel of your BMW. The night is young and the road ahead is dark. But you're not worried, because you've got the power of BMW's Night Vision at your fingertips. So, how do you activate this superhero sidekick? First, access your car's settings menu. It's as easy as flipping a switch. From there, activate Night Vision. It's intuitive, user-friendly and designed with ease of use in mind. Once activated, your dashboard screen transforms into a window to the unseen, showing you what lies in the shadows beyond the reach of your headlights. Suddenly, the road ahead is not a mystery anymore. Whether it's a pedestrian crossing the street in the distance or a deer lurking in the shadows, BMW Night Vision spots them before they even come into your headlights' reach. It's a game changer, giving you those precious extra seconds to react and keep everyone safe. As you drive, the system continues to scan the environment, ensuring that you're aware of potential hazards long before they become a problem. It's as if your car has gained a sixth sense, seeing the unseen and keeping you one step ahead of the game. With enhanced visibility and safety features like these, your nighttime drives can be as smooth and stress-free as possible. By now you might be wondering why you should consider BMW's Night Vision system. Well, let's delve into the advantages that this remarkable technology offers. First, it significantly enhances your visibility during nighttime drives. While traditional headlights can only illuminate so far, the Night Vision system uses infrared technology to see beyond, capturing details that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. Second, it boosts your safety on the road. The system is designed to detect and highlight potential hazards, from pedestrians to wildlife, giving you those crucial extra seconds to react. This not only protects you and your passengers, but also contributes to the overall safety of our roads. And finally, it gives you confidence. Driving at night can be stressful, but with BMW's Night Vision system, you can rest easy knowing you have an extra set of eyes on the road. So, to sum it up, BMW's Night Vision system is your trusty guardian angel, watching over you every step of the way. So, are you ready to take on the night with confidence? Let's recap the game-changing technology we've explored today. BMW's Night Vision system is like your very own superhero sidekick, equipped with infrared vision that extends far beyond the reach of your headlights. It's as simple as flipping a switch to activate, and once it's on, you'll see a clear display on your dashboard that reveals potential hazards before they even come into your headlights' path. Imagine that. A guardian angel in the form of advanced technology, watching over you as you journey through the night. With the BMW Night Vision system, you're not just driving, you're confidently navigating the darkness, knowing that your safety is enhanced. So don't let the night intimidate you. Embrace the darkness with the power of BMW's Night Vision system at your fingertips. Ready to experience the future of driving safety Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on the latest BMW car technology.